Hello, curious minds. Have you ever thought about how your body stays in perfect harmony? From the way you move to how you heal, it's all thanks to something incredible inside us, tissues. Just like how a team works together to win a match, animal tissues work together to keep our bodies functioning smoothly. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of animal tissues and discovering their roles. So, what exactly are animal tissues? They're groups of specialized cells working together for a common purpose. There are four main types of animal tissues: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. Epithelial tissue covers our body surfaces and internal organs, offering protection, while connective tissue binds, supports, and nourishes different parts of the body. Muscular tissue allows movement, and nervous tissue controls body functions by transmitting signals, much like the wiring of a complex system. As you can see, these tissues work together to keep everything functioning just right, much like how different parts of a machine need to work in sync to make it run smoothly. Let's start with epithelial tissue. This tissue is like your body's protective armor. It's the outermost layer of your skin and lines internal organs, acting as a barrier to protect against harmful substances. Did you know your skin, which is an epithelial tissue, protects you from viruses and bacteria every single day? There are different types of epithelial cells. Some are squamous and thin, like in your lungs where oxygen needs to pass through quickly. Others are cuboidal or columnar, like the cells in your kidneys or intestines, where they help absorb nutrients or move substances around. Each type of epithelial tissue is designed for specific tasks. It's incredible how these cells work together to protect and sustain life. And just like how a factory relies on its assembly line, epithelial cells create layers that keep harmful invaders out and let the good stuff in. Next up, connective tissue. This is the tissue that connects and supports everything in your body. Think of it as the support crew behind the scenes, holding everything in place and providing structure. Connective tissue comes in different forms. Areolar tissue is loose and flexible, holding organs in place, like the padding around your organs. Adipose tissue stores fat, which not only provides energy but also acts as insulation, keeping your body warm. It's like your built-in cozy blanket. Fibrous tissue forms tendons and ligaments, connecting muscles to bones and bones to each other. And let's not forget about bone and blood, which are both forms of connective tissue, helping form your skeleton and transport nutrients throughout your body. Isn't it amazing that all these tissues are working together to keep you moving, warm, and healthy? Now, let's move on to muscular tissue, the powerhouse that makes movement possible. Muscular tissue is what allows you to run, jump, and even blink. It contracts and relaxes, just like how an engine makes a car move. There are three types of muscle tissue: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles are the ones we control to move our bones, like when you lift your arm or run. Smooth muscles work automatically inside your organs, like moving food through your digestive system. And then there's cardiac muscle, found only in the heart, working non-stop to pump blood. Isn't it incredible that this muscle never gets tired, beating tirelessly throughout your life? Each muscle type is finely tuned to perform specific actions. Just like the gears in a clock, they work in harmony to keep everything running smoothly. Finally, let's talk about nervous tissue, the communication network that controls everything in your body. Your nervous system is like a super-fast messaging system, sending signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Nervous tissue is made up of neurons, which are specialized cells that transmit electrical signals. These signals travel quickly through the body, allowing you to react to stimuli, think, and even breathe. Imagine a lightning-fast internet connection. That's how your brain and nerves communicate with each other. Neurons have parts called dendrites to receive signals and axons to send them out, just like how messages travel along wires in a computer network. And don't forget about the neuroglia, the support cells that help neurons function properly. It's like having a whole team of technicians ensuring the system works perfectly. So, there you have it. Animal tissues are the building blocks of life, each with a specialized function that keeps everything running smoothly. From the protective layers of epithelial tissue to the rapid communication of nervous tissue, these tissues work in perfect harmony to make life possible. Remember, whether it's protecting you from germs, helping you move, or even sending signals to your brain, animal tissues are at the heart of it all. So, next time you think about how your body works, just remember, it's the tissues that are making it all happen. Biology is truly the science of life in all its complexity and beauty. I hope this session helped you appreciate the fascinating roles animal tissues play in keeping us alive and thriving. See you next time for another biological adventure.